Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Karlekar, and I hope you all are doing great this beautiful Thursday morning. I welcome you all to another introductory IT training session at Guru Schools. I thank you for investing your valuable time today. And the topic today, we're going to have an introductory overview session is on SaaS training. Okay. Most of the Fortune 5000 client here in the USA, they are using SaaS, which also means it's huge in demand. The prerequisite, if you ask me, the prerequisite is to have an open mind, willingness to learn, aspire to have a career in IT, and then eagerness to have a six-figure salary income. So let me give you a backdrop of Guru Schools, www.guruschools.com. We are a modern marketplace in the form of the ancient Gurukul. We strongly believe that education is that one strength. Once it comes to you, it stays with you forever. And by sharing, it grows multifold. So we bring world-class information technology education to the ambitious people like you by giving a good blend of theoretical as well as practical knowledge. For many lateral or the experienced professional, it will be a good way to upskill their knowledge, which is learning new thing, unlearning unwanted thing, and relearning what is important, which makes them to stay close to the emerging technologies, which is the need of the hour. In light of the ever-changing technology landscape, it's always good to keep yourself in tune with the changing landscape and to keep yourself current. At Guru Schools, we are unique in a way. We are known for our 6 pillars. What are the 6 pillars at Guru Schools? Our key feature is we provide a career or an employment-focused job placement offering. So, unlike many agencies who are there to rob your hard-earned money, throw some video and they're gone, we are here from A to Z, from your inception enrollment into the training to your placement all the way to project support. Many of our training tracks, they vary anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to 10 to 12 weeks, meaning 2 months to 3 months. That's the first pillar. Okay, that is an IT technology training track. The second pillar is course completion certificate, along with, if required, prepping you for that relevant technology certificate. The third pillar is reference-ready resume preparation. Very important, because that's the face of your candidature, to make sure your resume has technology inclusion, client domain inclusion, and all the required bells and the whistles, which gets you ahead of the curve. Then the fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation. We work with most of the Indian outsourcing agencies as well as the preferred vendors in the US and Canada. We have working relationship with them since 99 onwards, about 22 years. So 10, 15, 20, 22 years. They know us, we know them. We have access to their career portal, and we supplement them for primarily contract and some full-time resources. The fifth pillar is the client interview. So majority of the Fortune 5,000 companies, they have outsourced their need to these Indian outsourcing companies where we are already vendor with. And these Indian outsourcing companies need contract labor in a wholesale quantity. And that's where companies like Guru Schools, we are in the play. We have offerings like Women in STEM, Women in Technology, hiring locals, because our focus is more on reshaping the career of people living in this country, US and Canada. So hence, they engage us with more efficacy in terms of retooling or training on new skills for their prospect employee. The last pillar is project placement and ongoing support. Getting a job, not a problem. Keeping a job is the key. So for up to 6 months, we will be giving you a project support. And then practice makes you perfect. Nobody learns in mother's womb. So given an opportunity, all of you can hit a home run. And with the help of the Guru Schools, you all will. Okay. So again, what are the 6 pillars? The first pillar is training. The second pillar is course completion diploma certificate. The third pillar is reference ready resume preparation. The fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation. The fifth pillar is client interview preparation. And the sixth pillar, which is also equally important, is post-project placement, giving you project support for up to 6 months. As a company policy, 10% of our profits goes for various community causes in light of pandemic, whether it's US, Canada, or India. They need help, and we have risen up to the occasion and generously giving the much required help to the people. Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. So apart from the SaaS training, some of the other technology-focused practice areas, in no particular order, I simply wanted to mention is Agile Scrum Master, Android iOS development, big data, business analysis, business intelligence visualization reporting tools like Tableau, Qlik, Power BI, Snowflake, Cloud DevOps, cybersecurity, front-end UI UX design development, Informatica, Cloud ETL data warehousing, Java full stack microservices, MuleSoft integration, .NET full stack development, Oracle NetSuite ERP, project management, Python data science, robotics process automation, Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, and Workday human capital management. Last year, we also expanded in healthcare, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, industrial domain, where now we offer courses like biostatistician, clinical trial data management, validation quality management, SolidWorks CAD/CAM design engineering, and few other skills. Okay. Needless to say, these are hot and emerging skills easily consumed by the Fortune 5,000 firms across USA and Canada. And these technologies have a huge scope in IT and also helps you make 6-figure. As I already mentioned, most of these training tracks, they range anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks or 10 to 12 weeks. So I would say 2 months to 3 months. They are covering weekdays and weekends, depending upon the track. It's between the trainer and the enrolled candidates. The weekdays is always preferably in the evening, 9 p.m. Eastern time, 9 to 10 or 9 to 10:30. Weekend is more flexible, daytime, afternoon, evening. These training courses are free for you. If you're looking to work through us on our project, It's our way of giving it back to corporate America by investing in people. So for those like-minded people who are here thinking that they would like to shape up their career and they're looking for a job and they're planning to work through us, whether it's a training, whether it's a certification, whether it's a resume preparation, vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation, placement, and project support. All of these things which I said, which otherwise you will be spending between $10,000 to $15,000, will be free. We front that investment on your behalf. Why? Because you are working for us. good 3 or 4 hour movie, when you watch the teaser in a minute or two, they summarize their entire movie. So you know at an overview level what to expect in that movie. So the same way, this 3 months of SaaS training course, we will be summarizing it in an hour-long presentation. It will give you a good opportunity at an overview level to see what content you will be getting into, what to expect. Towards the end, you will also get an opportunity to have a question and answer with the trainers. So please feel free to ask any questions which you may have, which will help you clear your doubts. Hold on to your questions till the presentation is over, and then either you can speak or you can write your questions in notes, and we will take on your behalf those questions, and between me and my trainers will answer it. Those who could not join or they have to leave early, a copy of this recorded session will be made available at www.guruschools.com or www.guruschools.net, or you may also send an email to training@guruschools.com requesting the recorded session link. This recorded session link will also be posted on our Guru Schools company page on LinkedIn, as well as it will be uploaded on Guru Schools YouTube page in our YouTube channel. So those who are looking for this help, if you can give us a day, and in 24 hours it will be made available to you. Today's subject matter expert, meaning our trainers for SaaS, we always ensure there is a gender inclusion. So we have Ms. Ashwini and Mr. Satish. They both have extensive experience working in IT industry, as well as they're into corporate training. So it's not only mere training or recorded videos, it will be interactive training with the trainers who have a live experience, which you will be learning using their global project experience. So without doing any further ado, I would like to welcome Ashwini as well as Satish. The next presentation from me, the baton gets changed to Ashwini, and after Ashwini will come Satish. So thank you all for listening to me. Ashwini, it's all yours. Thank you.
Thanks, Dave, for the introductory session. Hello, everyone, and welcome for this new opportunity of getting yourself trained or upskilled with SaaS. So moving ahead, if you're looking ahead your career into SaaS environment, or I can say as an upskilling yourself into SaaS, first we'll try to understand the market of SaaS. Of course, to understand the market, we'll always understand the opportunities available in the market throughout the globe and also with US. So moving ahead with SaaS opportunities, first we'll understand how this SaaS company is all about. So it has begun, or it has started this company in 1976. SaaS is a market leader in business intelligence and analytical software services. SaaS provides solutions to more than 80,000 customers worldwide. SaaS has customers in around 145 countries. So most of the customers of SaaS are not only with businesses but also government agencies and universities. SaaS stands 91 of all top 100 companies. This is the survey done during the year 2020, and we have good amount of SaaS customers throughout the globe. So if you look into the US market, we have good opportunities. So to understand this job market with SaaS, we'll understand the scope of SaaS, we'll understand this type of SaaS, what are the competitors, how does the growth of SaaS employees grows, and of course the space scale, which is most important when we are looking ahead career into SaaS. SaaS is noted as SAS, but predominantly it is statistical analysis system. So when we say it's a system, it's an enterprise platform which comprises of various tools and softwares. And it is very much popular for data analysis and statistical modeling. It is one of the world's fastest and powerful software which performs data management, ETL processing, data mining, report generating, analysis, and business models generation. So I can summarize this statement telling it as SaaS, being an enterprise platform, end-to-end data related activities is performed under one platform. So SaaS skill will be an asset for each and every individual for a better market opportunities of SaaS. And of course, you will have a good advanced career with SaaS as well. Moving ahead, let's understand the overall SaaS openings compared to other technologies or other softwares in the market. We'll find within this table, SaaS is ranking first, which is having as compared to other job openings in the percentile, it's 36% jobs available throughout the industries within the globe and within United States. So when it comes to the industries about this SaaS implementation, so we are very much familiar that we have R and Python, which are very dominantly used by companies for analysis as well. But as you see this flow chart or you see this graph, depending on the industrial use, the span of SaaS been implementing in retail, marketing, healthcare and pharma domain, and of course financial services is much more bigger than compared to R and Python. So moving ahead, let's understand the salaries, how it moves ahead when we have such good opportunities. So with respect to some of the major cities into United States, we find New York is a very highly paid city for SaaS professionals. So look at the salary, it's nearly 134,000 K per annually. So these are the various cities which is ranging or showing us the annual package. It's a generalized annual package. So this is where you can focus on how your career would grow if you are having a skills with SaaS. So moving ahead with your SaaS skills and looking ahead your career into it, depending on the number of years of experience you spend in your particular domain and with a particular tool, your pay package keeps on increasing, starting from entry level to higher managerial levels. So the graph keeps on moving, and generally I can say that every year a SaaS skilled professional does get a good amount of hike into their package. It would be nearly 30 to 35% yearly hike into their package with their SaaS skills. So the same slide is telling here again, depending on your years of experience, right from entry level, mid level to senior level, your pay package grows extensively with SaaS knowledge and of course with your domain knowledge as well. So this is some of the market openings in United States, where Indeed is specifying some of the job openings for freshers with less than 1 year of experience or 0 years of experience. If you'll see, there are various cities within United States have good amount of openings coming up for SaaS programmers. See, there are the terms as SaaS programmers or statistical programmers. The job would be the same depending on the company. They keeps on changing the profile name. All right. So yes, we do have openings. So with LinkedIn, if you'll see, we have good amount of openings coming up with United States through LinkedIn as well. So these are various openings. So see, we have clinical data programmers, we have junior SaaS analyst, SaaS programmer 1, level 2. So these are just the levels of your um, jobs which you will be entering into the career as a SaaS programmers. So this is with DICE. So within DICE also, if you'll see this highlighted area, it is showing SaaS analysts, and it's showing what are the skills required. So it's required your base knowledge, your advanced knowledge, which is SQL and macros. And this is some of the current openings in United States as SaaS analyst. So this is with the experience with less than 1 year or 0 years of experience. So moving ahead on DICE itself, it's also telling that the another profile named as SaaS developer is also having a good opportunities, and we have good amount of openings with the skills required as base, macros and SQL within less than 1 year of experience within United States. So the profiles which people mostly work with SaaS knowledge is mostly as a database administrator, warehouse architect, ETL specialist, developer, or business analyst, financial analyst. Now this depends on the domain in which you are working and also with what educational background you're coming with. So if you're coming from a technical background with engineering, computer science, background or computer engineering background, you have a very good career as a data architecture or a database administrator, data warehouse specialist, ETL specialist, developer. And if you are with an MBA background, you have a very good opportunity where once you are upskilled with SaaS, you are working as business analyst, financial analyst, marketing analyst. Of course, with SaaS programming, even freshers can start your career as SaaS programmers. People with a statistician background or from mathematics background can work as statistician or statistical programmer. You can also work as a quality analyst, and people from life sciences background can work into clinical domain or pharmaceutical domain as clinical data programmer, reporting programmer, or even database programmer. So this is the flora or the span of job openings with various names of profiles which you have depending on your skills of SaaS and of course the years of experience and from which domain you come from or which educational background you come from. So industries using SaaS, of course, this is one of the important area for us to understand that if we get upskilled, what are the industries which we'll be looking ahead to work with? Yes, with SaaS, let's understand the top industries where people require SaaS programmers. So we have finance sectors, we have pharmaceutical, which is an arm of clinical industry, healthcare, and also insurance. So when it comes to finance, your banking sectors and financial institutes mostly predominantly make use of SaaS because SaaS has ready-to-use solutions which helps to safeguard the huge data of banking process and financial institute, and SaaS does have ready-to-implement solutions like fraud detection, financial management, credit risk analysis. So these are ready-to-use solutions which very predominantly these financial institutes are using at large scale, at enterprise level scale. So when it comes to pharmaceutical industry, we all know pharmaceutical industry has an arm of clinical trials. So clinical trial is nothing but an area where a new molecule of any entity of a medicine has to get marketed, people has to undergo clinical trials. So when it comes to clinical trials, we are testing that molecule on animals and human beings, right? So once the study is done, the data has to get documented, it has to get analyzed, it has to get reported, and of course it has to get the permission where the molecule has to get marketed into the particular market. So for that we have US FDA, which plays a very important role, and when you are looking ahead to launch a product of a molecule into a market, we have to take the permission of US health or US FDA to launch it. So FDA DPA has a norms in it where it has mentioned that until and unless your data is as per the standard guidelines and processed and the reports are generated using SAS, the data is not accepted and it's not been given permission to launch your product into the market. So it's one of the very important part in clinical trials and pharmaceutical industry where SAS is important to be used for analyzing and presenting the data. Next comes the healthcare and of course the insurance sectors. So these are some of the predominantly sectors which is very widely implementing SAS, and look at the opportunities depending on what educational background or what domain you are coming with. All right, so it's a huge market for us to look ahead and upskill yourself and work with SAS skills. Moving ahead, let's understand more industries or there are ready to use solutions from SAS in various industries. So apart from finance, pharmaceutical, insurance and healthcare sectors, these are some of the sectors where one can also look up their career into. So we have agricultural, we have banking, we have capital, we have higher education, oil and gas, manufacturing, life sciences, sports analytics, retail, hotels, utilities, and so on. So these are some of the companies which are implementing SAS. So this would say that yes, we do have good opportunities in certain of these brand companies. Yes, SAS is market leader and it provides supports to companies compared to R and Python. So when we say R and Python, yes, nowadays people are moving ahead to use R and Python for reporting, generating and data analysis. But when it comes to SAS, I will say R and Python being an open source, people mostly goes to SAS where you have data security there and of course the accuracy of the report generation and the faster way of processing the data is much quicker in SAS than compared to these competitors like R and Python. So moving ahead, these are some of the companies which are implementing SAS with the norms as per compared to some of the guidelines from regulatory authorities and as compared to open source softwares. Yes, so moving ahead, let's understand what is SAS, and this part will be taken care by my colleague Satish. So Satish will move ahead and make you understand what is SAS, so that once you understand its market openings, you will move ahead to understand what is SAS and how it works and how we are Guru School playing role to shape your career on SAS programming. So Satish, let's move ahead and take the control over this presentation. Thank you everyone.
Yes, thank you giving opportunity, Dev and Ashwini. So let's start with the session. What is SAS? So SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System of Software. SAS is an integrated system of software. What is the meaning of integrated system of software? So integrated, nothing but the combination of various products such as DBMS product, analysis product, and reporting product. Using these products, we can develop the applications that enables to perform data entry, retrieval, management planning, reporting and graphics, and statistical analysis, business planning, forecasting, decision support, operations research and project management, quality improvement, application development, and data warehouse. The main objective of SAS is to store the data, it means maintain the data, analyzing the data, and generate the reports. How we can maintain the data? Using one of the product DBMS, database management system. Using the system, we can maintain the data. After that, so how we can maintain the data? So data, we get the data in different ways, like different sources, such as maybe the data is in non-standard format or standard format. Sometimes you are getting an image format. You cannot understand the data. To convert the data into standard data using transformation. Using few techniques, we can standardize the data to understanding for analysis. Right. After that, we're analyzing the data with using few techniques, using procedures and using functions. So SAS is a combination of procedure and function-oriented programming language. Using this analysis, after that, we are move on to reporting. So after completion of analysis, we are move on to it generates that report. What kind of reports those are? Those are business reports. Depend upon the business requirement, we can generate reports. Those are different types, like a detailed report, summary report, and the customized reports we can generate using the SAS. So this is all about that from this slide. Next slide is the features of SAS. Okay, strong data analysis ability. Why it is strong data analysis ability? We have other softwares in the market using R, Python also, strong data analysis. But why we are using SAS? Why you are called a strong data analysis ability software system? Why you call it? So it gives the accurate results compared to the other programming languages such as R and Python. It retains high security compared to the other programming language, and it uses the most accuracy reports. It retains exact reports. What kind of reports? Those are customized reports. That customized report depend upon the user, depend upon the business requirements. Maybe the requirements come from finance data, modify data, where modify the data into customized data. Like it means the finance data. If the data we are getting from the clinical data, that data we are converted into clinical data. So depend upon the data, we can transform the data with the help of different types of functions and procedures. So we can use different types of statistics, such as it returns accurate analysis. What are those? Using like ANOVA, regression method, like univariate procedure. Using this statistic keyword, you can get accurate analysis. Okay. And coming to that multi-vendor architecture. How you called multi-vendor architecture? So if you write a program in operating system, any operating system, such as like Linux operating system, Mac operating system, and other operating system, Windows operating system. If you write an application without irrelevant to the operating system, it executes anywhere. That's why we call it multi-vendor architecture, and we can install all operating systems. Okay, that's why this is a platform independent architecture. Okay, and easy to learn and easy to work. Is it easy to work? Yes, it's easy to work compared to the other programming language. It's very easy. It is customize the data, reduce the code also. It reduces the code within a less time. You can get more reports, highly qualified reports you can generate using this. So there is no prior technical skills needed to learn that. And you have to interact with different types of servers, such as MySQL, SQL, Hadoop servers. We get the data not only one area. You can get the data different areas, different servers. Let's say our data sometimes we are getting Oracle. Yes, you can communicate with Oracle with using different procedures such as PTF procedure. You can call it PTF, fast specific procedure. Using that procedure, you can communicate and encode the data and run the transformation with using different types of functions. And it has different types of modes. SAS consists of two types of modes. One is batch mode, and second one is non-batch mode. Batch mode means programming mode. So we can write very simple code, very short code. The maximum code is 1 to 10 lines code. Every day you have to write. No need to buttify. No need to remember that all. Every day you have to follow that keywords and functions and statements. You can habituate that every day. No need to by heart that program also. Some people are by heart keywords and statements, not required. So it's very simple programming. With the less code, you can get more analytic results and more reports. That is customized reports. And one more is non-graphical mode. That means graphical user interface. That's called as a GUI, graphical user interface. That is called non-batch mode. So here we can drag and drop options are available. Simply we can drag and mapping the data, we can generate the report. Very simple. Right. Next. So advantage of SAS. Why are we using SAS? Okay, already we know that it is for data entry purpose, storing the data, generate the reports, and generate few statistics. Okay, that is depend upon the business requirements. Not only that, it is similar as Linux administration. It creates users, multiple users, and assign that credentials as well, just like administration. Okay, and we can install number of internal software. We support number of internal software. Let's talk about data integration and report method, and other different types of chatbots, dashboards, and Microsoft add-ins. These are different types of software included in that to generate the proper. And another advantage here, we have to follow that. We want to generate that or we want to run an application, we have to know about that products and data formation. Okay, data information knowledge is very important if we want to run an application. So similar here, we say here in one vehicle. So if you want to drive a vehicle, okay, what is required to smooth driving? If you know how to apply the brakes, where we can apply the brakes, okay, how we can increase the accelerator, where we can apply this, all those. If you know that, then it leads to the smooth driving. So same, and if you know that products, you can easily run the application and get proper results according to the business requirement. Next, and advantage of SAS. So here, intelligence database, analysis, analytical intelligence, business intelligence. Here, we follow that a small technique, that is ETL technique. So if you want generate analysis and reporting, you follow that one small technique, that is ETL technique. ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. So extract the data, transform the data depending upon the user requirements or business requirements, and store into server location in the form of tables, listings, and figures. Next slide. So one more advantage. Here we can generate different types of graphs like chartware and pie charts. You can easily understand. It is graphical mode. Okay. The theory part converts into visualization. Then only we can easily understand, right? Visualization compared to the theory, visualization is more effective than the theory. That's why you have to convert it into different reports, such as like the bar chart, pie charts, and different types of bubble charts, graphical charts. But user easy interaction. So SAS program planning with tools. Next is training modules, SAS programming. So follow the two modules. One is base SAS module and second one is advanced SAS module. In base SAS module, we follow two types of methods. One programming 1, programming 2. In programming 1, we have to follow the few introduction procedure modules, and another one function-oriented programming module you can use in the programming 2. In coming to whereas in advanced SAS programming, we are using SQL and macros. These are very important to develop the SAS application for future analytics. It means prediction analysis purpose they are using. Jabbro, if you learn SAS, as a data programmer, SAS data programmer, developer, analyst, and SAS data integration developer, architect, SAS analyst, and clinical SAS programmer. If you learn SAS, then SAS level 1 programmer, level 2 programmer, data analyst, and product manager, and leads to that manager. So different hierarchies depend upon that. So SAS certification is very important. If you get certified, you get more chances to hire an organization as a SAS programmer. It is very important. That's it. Next is instructor-led free online SAS programming training. It's 12 weeks. It's 3 months. 1 month base SAS programming, 1.2 months advanced SAS programming. Total it is 12 weeks, 3 months. Next is my part. Please hand over to the.
Yes, thanks, Satish. So I hope the participants are very much quite clear with what actually SAS is and how you can look ahead your career into the SAS market as SAS programmer to start with. So at Guru School, the previous slides was like how we give the training. So our training is mostly on programming. So we train you for base and advanced, and our training is for 3 months. So moving ahead. So most frequently asked questions here is, when is this training starting?
Okay, let me jump in. Ashwini, Satish, very good presentation. Thanks for covering at a good overview level. What is FAQs? Well, whenever we do a presentation, people ask these questions, right? So we have tabulated some of the questions. Ashwini, you will ask the question. I will try to answer to the best of my ability. Once we are done with our FAQs, then we will take these additional questions from some of you participants. So when is this training starting? Well, so today is the introductory session, right? We gave you a good overview. Now what we're going to do is we're going to publish this video, and then it will go in our marketplaces, various places on LinkedIn, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Facebook groups, and other places. That will create curiosity amongst the people, and then we will get the formal enrollment. Once we get the formal enrollment, once we have at least 3 students to start with, then we will start the batch. So basically, when does the training starts? I would say give about 2 weeks from now. So mid-August is what we should be looking for, subject to getting at least 3 enrollment. As a company policy, once we have 3 enrollments, we start the training. So that answers the first question.
Okay. So along with this training, will you also guide and help towards the actual certification for the course?
Good question. Normally people ask this question. I tell people, keep the focus more on placement, right? Job. Certification, yes, it's an important aspect of that journey. So number 1, you get a diploma certificate from Guru Schools. Okay, so after 3 months of training, rigorous training rather, if you attend at least 75% of this training and have a satisfactory record by the from the trainers, then you are awarded a diploma course certificate by Guru Schools Training Academy, something which you can write in your resume and also publish it. In terms of the formal certification from SAS, depending upon what you're looking, we will also help you, guide you, mentor you, as well as prepare you, right? Because again, that's a practice. So we have people whom we keep training and placing. So we have the content, we have the data, we have the questions and answers of people who have done this before. So we use all of that knowledge, and we will have the mock sessions, practice sessions with you, which is going to prepare you for the exam. And with our help of the trainers and the practice and mock sessions, you will be easily clearing those certifications. So yes, we will be helping you for doing that too. Next question.
Okay. So along with the certification, once we have completed, will you help us to forward us into market with respect with a resume and get a job?
Yes. Well, without us, the journey is very difficult for you to get a job because you don't have recent experience, you don't have recent project, you don't have any references, nothing. That's where Guru Schools come in the picture, because it's not a mere training. For mere training, there are zillions of training videos on YouTube. You're getting the projects, you're getting the internal projects where you're teething in. And by working on those projects, that also gives you a reference ready, a resume and a candidature. That's one. Number two, we have a very formalized offering. Okay. So under planned hiring, the corporate America as well as the outsourced companies are looking to engage either in a particular city, a particular location, an X number of locals, or to reduce the gender bias in STEM, they are looking to increase more and more women in STEM or women in technology. So Guru Schools has this formal offering, which we bundle as our capability offering. Plus, we are a minority, so we get that reservation piece of business. So because we are small, because we are a minority-owned business, because we are local here in the USA, and because we engage ourselves with many locals as well as women in STEM, which is our focused offering, that gives you a leg up rather than trying to struggle on your own. This becomes a red carpet walk-in. Not only learning, again, if you're looking for mere training, you're in the wrong place. But yes, if you're looking for a job, if you're looking to have a career, then you're in the right place, because that's what our intent is. Mere training, you can simply watch videos on YouTube and get that paper compliant training, which doesn't really help. What you're looking for is a training which is geared towards getting a job or a career, right? Which is a good balance of theory as well as practical. And then to have the side door, back door, some door opened up because of our offering, so that you're able to get into corporate America. So yes, we will do anything and everything, okay, to ensure you get a job. Now, you need a job, so we are there to help you. Okay, every year, at least 200 to 300 people we train and place. Who needs a job? It is you. So basically, it's you and you and you. You need to be proactive. You need to give that 100%, and you need to have that fire in the belly. Okay. Along with the training, there are various tracks are happening. Resume preparation sessions are going on every Tuesday and every Thursday at 2 o'clock. Vendor interview sessions are going on every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 o'clock. Client interview, mock sessions are going on bi-weekly or the weekend. So these are extra classes. Okay. Only mere training will take you from point A to point B. But if you want to go from A to Z, you must attend all of those extra additional sessions also. And practice makes you perfect. The more and more these sessions you attend, the better it prepares you, and it basically gives you a compressed learning. It puts you ahead of the competition. So we are here basically to help you get a job. Because if you don't get a job, we have this entire ecosystem which is basically meant to help you get a job. If you don't get a job, then that's a problem. There's also a question mark on our capability. Okay, so we take pride in saying, for those who are willing to give their 100%, for those who are proactive and those who wants to have a career, we will help you get a job. Because all jobs are remote. So basically, irrespective wherever you are, you will get flooded with the requirement opportunities, because we work with all these major companies and major vendors, and all you need is just one job, which is a cakewalk for you as well as for us. So yes. Next question, please.
Yes. So will Guru School also help towards giving project support?
Yes, and the reason being, especially for those who are getting into the career for the first time, right? It's like your initial days of walking, initial days of talking, initial days of learning, initial days of riding a bicycle, initial days of learning swimming, initial days of driving a car, right? You need a support. If you don't need a support, then there is a problem, right? If there is no training given to you and straight away given to you a bicycle or a motorbike and a car, then you are heading for a trouble. Yes. So what we do here is, it's not only the training. If you have heard my 6 pillars, prepping you for the interview as well as giving you project support for the first 6 months is equally important. So basically, the trainer shadows with you. The trainer stays along with you in every step of your project work for the first 6 months. And he or she makes sure. So here in this case, it's not only mere training by Ashwini and Satish. They will take turns in giving project support also, right? And like you, there are many people whom they are training. So basically, it's a very focused group for whom not only they are training, but they're giving support also. Okay, someone will get a job early, someone will get a job late. But for us, you all are our children, and we are there to ensure nothing falls through the crack, right? So we give you that much needed support as and when you run into an issue. And then what happens? Practice makes you perfect, even cooking for that matter. When we learn cooking, you always need that help, either from your mother, father, brother, sister, cookbook, online, right? And then you perfect that art. Then what happens? Practice makes you perfect. The more and more practice you do, the more and more focus you are giving, the more and more repetitive and mundane it is, the more and more you perfect that art. So even in programming, it's like riding a bicycle or driving a car. After the initial 2-3 months, you're pretty much going solo. Yes, sometimes you take a wrong turn. Yes, sometimes something happens, and then you fix that error, right? That's where, there are focused groups for SaaS on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook. You'll be part of various those workshops or those groups, and there are like-minded people sharing the best use cases. Needless to say, you have trainers to help you. We are there to help you as long as you are willing to seek our help. We do not want you to fall through the crack. As I said, you are like a child to us. Your prosperity is a matter of pride to us. So yes, we will do that. Next question, please.
Yeah, the next question is pretty much answered. It's like telling how many trainers Guru School provide, giving training, verification, and project support.
Yeah, so at least 2 trainers. There is, gender inclusion is important. As I said, we are big on gender equality, so we walk the talk. So when I say we will have a gender inclusion, I mean it. So you'll always see there'll be a male as well as a female when it comes to giving the training, because both of them are equally important, and we get enrollment from both the genders. So it's important that we have both of them, because one person do not know it all, right? Everybody has his or her own style of teaching, his or her own style of performing. Some of them are better in one aspect, other person is better in other aspect. Plus, we all have issues, right? Health issues, family issues, work issues. So sometimes you'll have a good day or bad day or some other day, or you're vacationing. So the ball should not drop, right? So if one person goes down, the second person comes up. And these are 2 trainers. Like this, we have other trainers also. But for this particular training track, we have 2 trainers, right? But needless to say, we have access to multiple trainers also if needs be. Correct? We are ensuring that you get that 100% from us so that you can have a career. So for this particular technology, and like this, we have several dozen trainers, because again, we have over a few dozen technology focused areas. So assuming for every technology, we have between 2 to 4 trainers, we have multiple dozen trainers covering various technology training. Next question, please.
Yes, so will sessions be virtual, and hope this is our recorded sessions?
Yeah, this is recorded. All sessions are virtual using Zoom, very much similar to this. And the copy is recorded, and then the recording, we upload it on our YouTube channel. Once you enroll, you will be part of a SaaS group, WhatsApp group, so where you're all clubbed together. So, and then the links are shared to you, because practice is more important, right? And then it will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. So immediately after the session, The Zoom link is given to you, the temporary recording link is given to you, and after a day or two, we will upload that in our YouTube channel, and then that link is given to you. Because sometimes, we have to delete the temporary Zoom recording because of exceeding their cloud data. But we have our own channel, YouTube channel. That's where all these video sessions will be recorded, training sessions will be recorded. All these sessions are instructor-led, interactive, and hence it is important to have a proactive participation. I encourage people to attend it live. Do not drop the ball and try to go through the recording, because then it not that you cannot learn, but it's not as good as setting it live through going through the experience and have an interactive initiative with the trainer fraternity as well as other peer sessions. Okay, so yes, next question please.
Yes, will there be additional practice sessions and preparatory sessions for certification?
Yes, well, kind of repeat of the previous question, can you help us for actual certification? But this is a little different. So yes, we have the mock sessions, vendor interview preparation, resume preparation, client interview preparation, mock interview sessions, escalation remedial sessions. We have separate sessions going on. Again, all 7 days a week practically, right? It depends upon how much you are willing to give your time. Again, you need a job, not me, right? Not my trainers. We already have a job. We are offering this and availing this opportunity for you. It's up to you to grab that opportunity. So the more you are ingrained and the more you are involved in our ecosystem, the more you will learn and the more you will get on a project sooner. We have people getting in and out within 6 weeks also, meaning before even they finish the training, they get a job. And then we have people who are wondering and wondering, or just there because of their father, mother, husband, sister, brother told them to take the training to show it to the world that yes, I'm doing something. They basically sit idling for a long time because that's, there is no way they are looking to have a career. So it's all about what you want. Okay, you just want a lip service thing to show it to the world that I'm doing something, or you really mean it, you really wants to have a career. If you're in the second category of people that's who really wants to have a career, you will be in and out. The 3 months of training and then about 4 to 6 weeks of marketing, and then you'll get a job. Next question, please.
Yeah, I think the next question is already answered earlier. It's like, will you also help towards preparing for the interview?
Yes. Yes. Next question, please.
Does it require any programming experience as a mandatory requirement for this particular course?
Well, if you have anything SQL and all, it definitely helps. But as I always say, nobody learns in mother's womb, right? Given an opportunity, we all can rise up to the occasion and we all can hit a home run, right? People just make a taboo about something. So, you don't have a BTech or you don't have a computer science background. It doesn't matter. This is America. In America, people take you on your face value. Whatever you show them and whatever you articulate them, they will hire you for that job. And then either you perform or you perish. Meaning, what you have in your resume, and if you can articulate that your candidacy during the interview to the manager is hiring you because it's a contract job for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. So if your resume is well written, it has all the bells and whistles as well as inclusion, all the keywords, buzzwords, client domain inclusion. And if you have the relevant projects, and if you can answer the questions given by the hiring manager, you hit a home run. The manager would love to bring you. Then the onus is on you to perform. So US and Canada, it's much easier to get a job. Because these are all consulting positions, much easy, half an hour, max 45 minutes an interview. Tell me about yourself, tell me about your recent project, how many years of experience you have in SaaS, what have you done in SaaS, what are the difficulties you have encountered, how big was your team, why we should hire you, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what's your availability, post-pandemic can you come on site. Basically, this 10 and plus another 10 questions they'll be asking. And if you perfect these questions and answers, you ate a homework. That's what I'm saying. Getting a job is a piece of cake. Okay, that's what we do. We groom you basically, right? So getting a job, no problem. Keeping a job, the trainers will help you keep the job. Okay, so basically, because of that, you will get a job. Not only will get a job, you will keep a job. Now, there is a fine print. You must attend these sessions. So whenever we are having resume preparatory session, vendor interview preparatory session, client interview preparatory session, mock interview sessions, escalation management sessions, every Tuesday, every Thursday at 2 o'clock Eastern Time or 7 o'clock Eastern Time, the onus is on you to join these sessions. Okay, and I keep reminding them that yes, you must attend as many sessions as you can. Bi-weekly, there is a mock training sessions, meaning there is a mock interview. Okay, Ashwini can be a candidate, Satish can be a manager, and they will have an interview and the questions, and they'll show you the questions are asked, how to answer it, and how to give the satisfactory answer. And you sit in an audience. Sometimes you can take turns, you can ask questions, or you can answer it too, because that gives you the confidence. And when you go through that practice sessions, that positive infusion is reflected in your confidence. But if you don't show up, then how can we help you? Okay. So it's all about how much you're willing to give the 100%. If you can give 100%, I guarantee you, you'll get a job. If you're here to just as a chair warmer, the path will continue to be difficult. Next question.
Can we get a remote working job?
Well, thanks to China, everything is remote even now. Yes, people are saying post-pandemic it will open up, but with so many variants of COVID-19 spreading across the globe, we don't know when. So I really cannot answer that question. It's a good problem to have. As I said, I always think positivity in all situations. Okay? Because everything is remote, it's very easy for us to get you a job because it's all on a phone. Otherwise, it's written on your face, a lack of confidence. But on the phone, you're much confident. You're not sweating, you're not blabbering, you're more confident. You can refer to your notes. So it's very easy. And even to get you project support is easy. So, as of now, the answer is 100% yes. Down the line, after 3, 6, 9 months, what will happen? I really don't know. Okay, but from the way I'm looking at the things, this pandemic and this lockdown will be continuing for the next few quarters at least. So that means for those who are looking to have a career, you will get a job, remote job. And then it boils down to between you and the hiring manager. Next question, please.
There are many other training institutes charging a lot of money. Why this is free?
Yeah, this is a good question. Because number one, we are not a training institute. Okay. Training institutes, the sole aim is to make money. They are a training institute. So they make money by giving you training. We are not a training company. We are a consulting project services company. So our focus is to help you get a job, either on our projects or our consulting engagement. The training company's job is to rob you of your hard-earned money. They just throw some videos, give you some links, take your 10, 20, 30, 50,000 rupees, and they're gone. If you ask them more, okay, help me prepare resume, they will ask you, okay, give me $1,000 value to give you projects, to give you references. Hey, can you prepare me vendor interview? Okay, give me $500. Can you help me clear client interview? Okay, give me $3,000. Hey, can you give me monthly support? Okay, monthly support will cost you 1 hour support every day, every month. I will charge you $1,000, $1,500. Now, if you do the math, for 6 months, you're spending $6,900 to $9,000 on new project support. And if you do a sum of all, you're spending $12,000 to $15,000 on them. And plus, there are different people. Right hand doesn't know what left hand is doing. Whereas in us, off the bat, from day one to your interview, placement, and project support is the same team. Okay, you will have a focused HR point of contact who will be enrolling you into our academy. That HR contact stays with you during your training, do your placement, and give you project support. That's like your mother, he or she. And on the side note, you have these 2 trainers who will be engaging with you in the training. And then we have career counselors, then we have interview experts, and they all are helping you as a team. Okay, so it's very cohesive efforts which we are embarking on, you as a candidate as well as we. So otherwise, too many cooks spoil the food. So you know more about us, we know more about you. It becomes a lot more educational with a minimal downtime, right? So basically, we invest in you, whether it's a training, whether it is diploma certificate giving or preparing for the certification, or preparing you, creating your, helping you teething into our internal projects so that you can have a resume with references, then helping you prepare for the vendor interview and a client interview, and then to help you as and when you run into issues when you're on a project. Because the more you work, you're working on our projects, the more you work, the more money you make, we also make money. So the investment which you have done on you, we recover it. Because after working for 20 some years, the realization hits you that you cannot eat money. Money is important, but end of the day, you reach to that Maslow's need of hierarchy in a self-actualization that what am I doing? Apart from helping me, am I helping people? And we take pride in saying, Guru Schools is like a Gurukul. You come in here as a fine man and a woman, and it's our job to inculcate and to give you not only the training, but also that education which helps you become a qualified man and a woman, to not only to have a career, but to have a better human being. Okay, so we make money on you in a long run. We lose money on you in a short run, definitely. So yes, we lose money for those who do not want a job. Those who are here because in a good faith, we have to enroll you, we have to give you training. But then if you don't want to work, or if you have no intention of working, basically our entire efforts goes futile, because we are engaged with you all throughout the time. We have this dime a dozen people servicing with you. So if more and more of you don't work, the more and more we bleed. Okay, so preferably we engage people who wants to work and who have that appetite to have a career. And we make money on you as and when you work for us. Okay. Next question, please.
Yes. So will the candidate really get the deposits which they initially pay with Guru School?
Yeah, so good question. So basically the modality is whichever course you are taking, say SAS training, if you want to take this course, the modality is when you enroll with a $500 refundable deposit. That deposit is refunded to you subject to 2 preconditions. First precondition, you must complete the course, meaning after a month or 2, if you run away for some strange reason, you forfeit your deposit. Why? You've already invested time and money on it. I've already given the money to the trainers. I cannot take money. There are 2 trainers. I have to pay both of them, right? So that whatever money and deposit you're giving is already gone to the trainer. And plus there is an HR, there is sales, resource manager, account managers, all of them, right? We are running their payroll. Whether you get a job or not, I must run their payroll. So first precondition, you must complete the training. Second precondition is you must work on our project for a minimum of 3 to 4 months. Once you work, fulfill and complete these 2 preconditions, you get your deposit back. $500 definitely will not make me rich. I live in New Jersey, the second most costly state to live in, post Connecticut. But that gets you commitment. Otherwise, it just becomes too casual. Just too many people are doing time pass, wasting their time and everybody's time. When you are giving that deposit, you are under right pressure that I need to finish that, I need to have a career, otherwise I'm going to lose my time. Right? So basically, you get your deposit back, provided you are able to complete the training and provided you are able to get a job through us. Because we are walking that extra mile, not only training, helping you prepare resume, references, preparing for a vendor client interview and giving you project support. We are there for you. Okay? So, and you get a deposit. That's where it's a free. So basically, whatever deposit, it's like a rebate chain, or it's like a deposit. You fulfill the condition, you get your deposit back. Okay. So our intention is to help you get a job. Our intention is to help you make money, because the more money you make, in the long term, we make money too. Okay. This is what our FAQs are. Let's see if anybody has questions to the chat note, or anybody wants to have a question. This is again our flyer. For those who wants to see it, you can also see it on our website. Those who wants to be part of our training academy or needs to gather more information, wants to go to the counseling session Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 12 noon Eastern time. We have a 1 hour session where the candidates gets to interact with the trainers as well as our career counselors, wherein they discuss about their experience, education, and they like to get the proper guidance from the trainers. I also encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our LinkedIn page. Please join our Facebook group, because by doing so, you are getting a constant communication, and plus be part of our WhatsApp group. These are career counseling group, so that you are not lost in a maze. Okay, you are with the right set of people who are aspiring to have a career. So when you look around, that positivity keeps you humming. Okay, so inquiries at guruschools.com or training at guruschools.com. You're more than welcome to send us an email. The YouTube page, the LinkedIn page is also mentioned here, or just type Guru Schools and you will come to know about us. Okay. I still want to take another minute or two. If anybody has any questions, can ask us now. Otherwise, pretty much we are done with our session and we will conclude it. So let me give a minute and see if anybody has a question.
Hello, Dave.
Yes.
This is Tushar. I didn't get the answer quite for that question, which was saying that, do you need any technical knowledge or any language, for this particular program? Since I saw that there was a slide on which it was saying that SQL and macro and those couple of things are required. So does that mean that
you will learn? Did you learn English when you were born? No, right?
Yeah.
Did you learn driving when you were born? No, right? Did you learn eating? So when you learn all those things, right, you know how robust the language is. Learning a language is very easy.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay.
And
you're getting the proper guidance. Yes, Ashwini.
Yeah, so thanks, Dave, for this answer to Tushar. So to add on to Dave's answer, Tushar, I would always like whenever I speak to candidates who are not from a technical background, who always get this question how they'll have the career as a SaaS programmer. So I always give my example. I'm from a life sciences background. I don't have any type of technical knowledge, but still I'm a full-fledged freelancer, or you can say a SaaS professional, where I have not only worked with live projects, but also I'm taking trainings. So no, there is not at all mandatory prerequisite of knowing technical knowledge. So the previous slide, if you have might observed, it is also mentioning one of the advantages. It's easy to learn and no previous any programming knowledge required, because SaaS is 4th generation language where it has ready to implement the procedures which is already there. We have to just implement while writing the program, and that's what we are going to learn during the training session. So when we say, when you have gone through the slides and you observed we have SQL and macros, I would say those are just one of the languages which are enhancing your programming skills on SaaS to write a advanced program to fetch in the information, and that is what we are going to train you. So the training is going to be from basics to advanced. So need not of having any type of prerequisite of any technical knowledge.
Okay, thank you, Ashwini. Now, and I have a couple of more questions. How do you compare this with Salesforce for a person like me who doesn't have any technical knowledge or experience or anything? How do you compare both this Salesforce and this SaaS?
I think Dave, can you take ahead this question, please?
These are different. The right hand doesn't know what left hand is doing. They're different technologies. Tushar?
Mm-hmm. Right. Obviously, they are. But like, as far as I know, I think the Salesforce doesn't need or doesn't use any of the language. So
Says who?
One of my friends, she has, got trained for the Salesforce. So she was.
Salesforce use Apex, which is Java.
Oh, Java. Okay.
They have their own language, but Salesforce developers use Apex.
Uh-huh.
If you were paying attention to the training, maybe you were not. That's why you missed. Salesforce also has different genres. You can be a Salesforce BA. You can be a SaaS BA. You can be a Salesforce analyst. You can be a SaaS analyst. You can be a Salesforce developer where you have to do Apex programming or Java coding. You can be a SaaS developer where you are using SQL. So like there are some skills in Salesforce which are more functional. There are some skills in SaaS which are functional, which are entry level. If you're a Salesforce BA, nobody's going to give you $250,000. But if you're Salesforce BA plus admin plus developer, then yes, people will give you easily 200,000. Are you with me?
Yes.
So the same way, if you're a SaaS analyst, it's an entry level skills. Then from SaaS analyst to technical analyst to subject matter expert, as you scale up the ladder, you increase your monetary compensation. Even the entry level part, right, whether it's a SaaS or Salesforce, will get you $40 to $50 per hour and more, depending upon the client's ability. See, with the post-pandemic, budgets are shrinking and reducing. It's a good problem to have. Good problem to have for people who are looking to have a career. So someone like me who bills myself for $150, $170, $120 per hour. It's a difficult, bitter, pill to swallow because the clients aren't giving that big rates now, saying, well, you're not coming on site, there is no user interaction, you don't have to drive and all. So can you give 20% or 30% rate less? On the other side, there are people like coming through the training academy, they're willing to work for $40, $50, $60. You understand? So yes. The lateral people are having a more, pressure to work on a reduced rate. Because with the help of the trainer, whether I am doing as a lateral person or you doing with the help of the trainer, the quality is more or less the same. So basically, you're coming at half the cost. Provided you don't drop the ball, otherwise you're messing things around. So if you do it right, you will have a leg up on me. Okay. So whoever your friend was, she did not give you the complete information, or maybe she doesn't know what she's doing. If she's working as a Salesforce BA, then you are a business analyst. It's a basically business analyst. So you can be a SaaS business analyst also. Okay. So depending upon what you're doing, when people say something, right, don't blindly listen to them, follow them. Do your research also, understand what it is. If you're a Salesforce developer, you're doing a Apex. Salesforce, you have their own proprietary language called Apex, APEX, which is very similar to Java code.
So now the next question would be then, which will be easier, Apex or SQL?
I don't know. It's like you're asking, what is easier to drive, a Honda or a Toyota or a BMW? What will I answer? It's your comfort.
But for somebody like who doesn't have any experience or any IT knowledge or anything,
then you can be a business analyst. You be on the functional side. Or you learn. I don't know how much money you want to make, right? If you're happy with 80-90,000, good for you. If you want to make 200,000, nobody will give you 200,000 for just time pass, correct? They will expect you more. So how much fire in the belly you have, that is up to you, not up to me. We are there to teach you. Yes? It's like going to the buffet place and you're asking me, how much food can I eat? What will my answer be, Tushar? How much you want to eat? No, but how much can I eat? You tell me. How can I tell you? I don't know your appetite. Yes?
Right.
So it's a huge ocean, sir. There are various levels of position. It all boils down to your career aspirations and your career ambitions, sir. If you have bigger aspirations, I have people working on Python, I have people working on Salesforce admin developers and SaaS with clinical trial. Now you become not only SaaS, but if you can have a domain expertise, right? Like a SaaS clinical, working in healthcare or pharmaceutical. Now you're creating that niche. So it's no longer $40 and $50. It is $80 and $90. Because it's not the skill. You're bringing the functional domain. Right? Or you're having a combo skill. Like Salesforce admin, Salesforce BA, 90,000, Salesforce admin, 100,000, Salesforce admin BA, 130,000, Salesforce admin BA and developer, 180, 190,000. And the same thing here too. SaaS BA, 80, 90,000, SaaS functional, 100,000. Now SaaS with healthcare, SaaS with clinical and all, 140, 160, 180,000, $80, $90, $95 in W2. So how much you will learn, it's you. That's a question mark for you, not to me. We are there to teach you, right? And learning is a part of life. You learn, you unlearn, and relearn. Yes? So if you're willing to upgrade yourself, if you're willing to learn yourself, you will make more money. But even if the less money is 100,000. So right now, say for example, for those who do not have a job or are not making any money, you're making $0 per hour. But from 0 to 50 itself, it's a great jump. Yes?
Definitely, yes.
So that's what we are embarking on. So we kickstart your journey. After that, like I pay for your buffet lunch. How much you want to eat, that you decide. Are you with me, sir?
Yes.
Okay. But good question. Any other questions you have, Tushar?
Yes, the last question actually. Do you give training or any program related to SAP?
No, we do not. You can look at our website, try to spend some time going through there. You will come to know what we do, what we don't do. There are thousands of technologies, right? You will spend your whole life learning otherwise. You follow?
Right.
SAP is a 20-year-old technology. We try to teach people which are, either renewed technology or which are technologies that niche or have a good marketplace. Okay, we are based in New Jersey. New Jersey is known for healthcare and pharmaceutical, life science. 7 of the 10 large pharmaceutical companies are in New Jersey. Okay, 53% of my employees, out of 320 people, are in the tri-state area. Okay, so needless to say, SaaS is popular because of too many pharmaceutical companies are here. So they get easily consumed. If you're from Delaware, Philadelphia, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Boston, they get a job. And then if you're in Chicago and all, because now you're making more money. You're not only learning SaaS, you're having a domain inclusion, which is life science, pharmaceutical, healthcare, banking, finance, insurance. So it's up to them.
Okay. But since you have knowledge of all these programs, how do you generally compare SAP with this?
I don't have. It takes 1 year to teach SAP, sir. Nobody has time. People wants to get a job like yesterday.
Oh, okay. So it is longer.
SAP instance, you will spend $1,000 to get the SAP license installed on your desktop.
So it is a longer time period required to learn.
Some time going on internet. Google answers you most of the questions, or come to our counseling session. We will guide you through. We are here to help. It's a race against the time. So in a compressed learning, compressed timing, we make you market ready. So yes. Okay. And having said that, we do not have that offering for SAP.
Now, final question actually. So I am a Canadian citizen living in US on an E2 visa. And I was thinking to get a TN visa. So will it be possible?
I have people, Canadian citizen working in Canada as well as Canadian citizen working in USA. So TN visa is all letter which you need. So I've been doing this for 22 years. I have hired at least 400 Canadian citizens in my 22 years of career.
Okay, so that'll be easy then. That'll be done.
Everything is easy if you know what you're doing.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. No
answers
problem.
And time.
You're welcome, sir. Everything is easy if you know what you're doing. Yes. If you don't know what you're doing, everything is difficult. Correct? So knowledge is important. We have the ecosystem. We have immigration department. We have HR department. That's what they profess. That's what they. But TN visa is just an offer letter. It's, don't make it it's big taboo or big difficult. All it is an offer. You get an offer. Either you send it to the consulate or you just cross the border, show it to the immigration officer. They will look at the offer duration, and for that duration, they'll give you TN visa. Very simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
That's pretty much summarizes our session. Thanks to Tushar for asking interesting questions. If you still have any questions, write to us at inquiries@Guru Schools or training@Guru Schools. Please spend time on our website, guruschools.com or guruschools.net. From guruschools.com, if you go to training tab, you will go to guruschools.net. That's our offerings. Guruschools.com, guruschools.net, and guru-healthcare.net for healthcare and life science offering. And you will get to know more about us. Okay. So without taking any more time, I sincerely want to thank all of you for investing your time today. We sincerely appreciate that on behalf of Guru Schools. And we look forward to engaging with all of you. As I said, if you have any questions, write to us, go to our website, call us on our 908 number, and you can talk to our customer service HR reps. And we look forward having much more meaningful conversation with you all. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye now.
Thank you, everyone.